You're welcome to our first story. The rising inflation rate could affect the country's quest to bring down the cost of credit to enable businesses access cheaper funds for expansion. The situation is also likely to worsen the unemployment situation if the trend is not reversed. The government statistician, Professor Samuel Ainen, has suggested the need to think about the overall effect of inflation on the economy as the year ends. Now, this call follows the 12.2% rate of inflation recorded during the month of November. We have more in this report.
The rate of inflation recorded for the month of November 2021 is likely to result in an upward trend in interest rates and prices of goods and services in the coming months, especially as the festive season approaches and as the countries deal with uncertainties amid the spread of the new variant of COVID-19. In the month of November 2021, the general price level was 12.2% higher than in November 2020. Meantime, contribution of food and non-alcoholic beverages to overall inflation has regained an upward trend. Here is government statistician, Professor Samuel Ainen.
We see food dominating by 13.1% relative to non-food 11.6%, indicating a 1.5 percentage point between food inflation and non-food inflation. On a month-on-month basis, food inflation equally records a higher rate of inflation relative to non-food inflation, indicating a 1.3 percentage point, specifically with food inflation month-on-month 2.1% and non-food inflation month-on-month 0.8%. Housing and transport continue to record the highest rate of inflation as housing, water, electricity and gas recorded 20.5% and transport 16.0%.
Inflation rates for Upper West and Northern regions remain high, with Eastern region recording the least inflation.
From the regional perspective, we see a wide range between the region with the highest inflation, that is the Upper West region, standing at 17.2%, and the region with the least inflation, that is Eastern region, 2.7%, indicating a variation of 14.5 percentage difference between the Upper West region, which has the highest inflation rate of 17.2%, and Eastern region with the least inflation rate of 2.7%.
Inflation for locally produced items continue to dominate imported items.